Hey everyone, it's Mavis. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're diving headfirst into a world of flavor with 2025 must-try recipes. Elevate your cooking game. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and impress your friends and family with these simple yet delicious recipes that are all the rage this year. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So, grab your aprons, let's get cooking. Let's kick things off with a classic that's been given a 2025 twist: avocado toast. We're not talking about your basic avocado toast here. We're going to elevate it with some unique and flavorful toppings. First, toast your favorite bread to golden brown perfection. While it's still warm, lightly drizzle some high-quality olive oil. Next up, the star of the show, the avocado. Choose a perfectly ripe avocado and slice it into generous portions. Gently place them onto your toast. Now for the fun part, the toppings. A sprinkle of feta cheese adds a salty bite. For a touch of heat, a dash of red pepper flakes is perfect. And to finish it off, a drizzle of honey adds a touch of sweetness. This avocado toast is the perfect way to start your day with a healthy and delicious breakfast. Next up, we're diving into a salad that's bursting with flavor and nutrients. Quinoa salad. Quinoa is a powerhouse of nutrients and makes for a fantastic base for a light and refreshing salad. Start by rinsing the quinoa under cold water. Then add it to a pot with twice the amount of water and a pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the water is absorbed and the quinoa is cooked through. While the quinoa is cooking, prepare your favorite veggies. Think vibrant bell peppers, juicy cucumbers, and sweet cherry tomatoes. Once the quinoa is cooked, fluff it with a fork and let it cool slightly. Then, combine the quinoa and your chopped veggies in a large bowl. Now, for the dressing. A simple lemon vinaigrette is all you need to bring this salad together. Just whisk together some olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper to taste. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. This quinoa salad is the perfect light lunch or dinner. Get ready to dive into a world of vibrant flavors and creamy textures with our next recipe: smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowls are a fun and delicious way to pack in a ton of nutrients. Start by adding your favorite fruits to a blender. Think frozen bananas, berries, or even mango for a tropical twist. Then add a splash of your choice of milk or yogurt. For an extra boost of nutrients, add a handful of spinach or kale. You won't even taste it. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy. Pour the mixture into a bowl and let your creativity run wild with toppings. Fresh fruit, granola, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey are some of our favorites. This smoothie bowl is a delicious and nutritious way to start your day or enjoy as a healthy snack. Next up, we're taking lunch to the next level with our grilled chicken wrap. This wrap is packed with protein and flavor, making it the perfect satisfying lunch. Start by grilling some chicken breasts to juicy perfection. You can season them with your favorite spices for an extra flavor boost. While the chicken is grilling, warm up some tortillas. Once the chicken is cooked through, let it rest for a few minutes before slicing it into thin strips. Now, it's time to assemble the wraps. Spread a layer of hummus or your favorite spread on the tortillas. Then, layer on the sliced chicken, some crunchy lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and a sprinkle of cheese. Wrap everything up tightly and grill the wraps for a minute or two per side, or until they're heated through and slightly crispy. This grilled chicken wrap is a delicious and satisfying lunch that will keep you full and energized all afternoon long. Get ready for a burst of colors and flavors with our veggie stir-fry. This recipe is packed with nutritious veggies and comes together in minutes. Start by prepping your veggies. Broccoli florets, sliced carrots, snap peas, and sliced mushrooms are some of our favorites. Heat some oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the veggies and stir-fry for a few minutes, or until they're tender crisp. While the veggies are cooking, whisk together a simple sauce with soy sauce, honey, ginger, and garlic. Pour the sauce over the veggies and stir-fry for another minute or two, or until the sauce is thickened and the veggies are coated. Serve this veggie stir-fry over rice or noodles for a complete and satisfying meal. Start your day with a breakfast that's both delicious and convenient. Overnight oats. This recipe is perfect for busy mornings. Simply combine rolled oats, your choice of milk or yogurt, chia seeds, and a touch of honey or maple syrup in a jar. Give it a good stir, screw on the lid, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, your oats will be perfectly soft and creamy, ready to be topped with your favorite fruits, nuts, or granola. This overnight oats recipe is a delicious and nutritious way to start your day without any morning rush. Get ready for a flaky and flavorful dinner with our baked salmon recipe. This recipe is incredibly easy to make and packed with healthy fats. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Place the salmon fillets on the prepared baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices. We love using a blend of dill, parsley, and lemon zest. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Serve this baked salmon with a side of roasted vegetables or a fresh salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Let's end on a sweet note with our fruit parfait. This dessert is as beautiful as it is delicious. Start by layering yogurt or whipped cream in a tall glass or jar. Then, add a layer of your favorite fruits. Berries, sliced bananas, and mango chunks work perfectly. Sprinkle with granola for a bit of crunch. Repeat the layers until your glass is full. This fruit parfait is a refreshing and delightful dessert that's perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. And there you have it, everyone. 8 incredible recipes to elevate your cooking game in 2025. I hope you enjoyed this culinary adventure as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments below which recipe you're most excited to try. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can join in on the fun. Until next time, happy cooking.